Okay, look at this neat little trick. So you boil your almonds in warm water. Oops, it's harder with one hand. It literally just pops right off the skin. So about 4 minutes, then add a little bit of cool water, and they pop right off. How cool is that? Ooh, that'll make my dog happy. Look at that. Just right off. And I put the skins over there. It's for the almond cheese. How cool is that? There's celery all over my kitchen. See, it was juicing. I got it already in the oven already to dehydrate. So how cool is that? The almond, a little bit of warm water, put some cool water in there so you can handle it. Comes right off. So easy. Perfect skinned almonds.